Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. On today's video I'm going to show you how you can start your BMW 1 Series. This is an e87 2009. It should work on other years and of the e87. I'm gonna show you how you can start the car without the key. So if it's a really cold day and you want to warm up the car, you want to start it but you want to leave it locked outside your door, then what you can do is get into the car, close the door, press the brake, put the key in the ignition, start the car, and then switch the car off, remove the key, keep pressing the brake pedal, and you can start the car. Now that way you can let the car heat up, put obviously your heater on hot. You can come out the car, go back indoors and actually lock the car. So now car is locked, no one can take it away. And after about 10 minutes or so, I don't know, 15 minutes, once it's nice and warm, come back to the car and get back in. So it's a nice little feature, I guess, which you can use especially during the winter. Like right now it's starting to snow, it's something like -1 degrees here, and I'm just freezing while I'm working, but I just thought I'll show you that little gimmick of the car. So anyway, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.